what got you interested in software engineering?
Look, as of my personal opinion, when I was born, I have seen my father is a teacher, so he used to come with some friends, and many of the friends used to say like my son is an engineer. So I felt maximum number of time like I also want to become engineer. And when I grown up, I when I was in class 7, I make a dream like I only want to become an engineer. So it's like a childhood dream for me. And later but yeah, at that time till class 7 I used to think in engineering there is only one branch, that is mechanical engineering. And every mechanical engineer do everything, he can do the construction work also, he can do the computer engineering also. This is my childhood thinking at that time. But later when I come to class 12, at that time when I was preparing for IIT JEE, so at that time I came to know about like different branches in engineering. Later I chose the best course, best branch according to the time and situation. During my time in 2019, it was like booming, and maximum people are getting placement also in CSC field. So that's the reason I chose.
Do you enjoy working in a team or solo coding?
Maximum number of time I used to enjoy solo, because it's my thinking, it's my ability, I can do or I cannot. But when you are going to do with the teamwork, if you are going into the teamwork, it feels maximum number of time you are getting irritated. You must be angry about the teammates response and their working. So maximum solo work is good, but yeah, you need guidance, because solo work require experience. And as of now, I'm still a 2 year experience guy, so I don't have so much of experience. But I used to enjoy solo when someone is going to guide me. And this situation has done many times for me. I worked well at that time, but when I was working in a team, there was some conflicts are there, and maximum number of time people just get he will do everything. They used to say this thing only. So solo is best, I guess.
Okay. What advice would you give to someone learning to code?
Just practice, man. Practice is going to make a man perfect in coding. And yeah, there are many rumors in YouTube and any other platform, many other platform that every coder has to do this thing, and in interview they will ask this thing. It is not there. They are preparing, the YouTuber are preparing you for the Google interview. And but in real interview, when you are going to face in a startup company, suppose if you are going to give interview in this startup company and you are going to prepare from YouTube will tell you how to exact answer, look like this, comb your hair like this, so that you can look good. Like the UPSC interview videos over YouTube, they used to say na, like your experience, your face expression is telling not exactly like a UPSC candidate should be. But in engineering field na, it's not there. They will YouTuber will teach you to go for prepare well. They will ask you this thing, but in real life they will never going to ask this type of silly question like what you want to become in 5 years. They will see you as a fresher. They will make you manage in only 15,000. That's it. So, in my opinion, just study hard, practice well in code, and don't believe and don't react to this type of videos.
What's the most exciting project you have ever worked on?
Till now, I have worked only on two main projects. That's the US client, and one project was there from airport. So that's I like the most. But yeah, I was having a small role in that project. So, but yeah, that project was good. When I was coding now in that airport, basically the project is going to make an airport in online mode. So I was working in that project. I was working, and in the night shift also I have to work in that project. But my role was nothing. I just have to code and test the project code. So at that time now, the coding, whatever I have, whatever they have code, I just when I just click on the run button to see what they have made, it almost take like 15 to 30 minutes just to run a single time project. Like if I want to make it process like how it's look or etc, it takes 15 to 30 minutes. At that time I used to have a tea break and the computer is running and running just to it's like loading for 15 to 30 minutes. That make me amazed how big project this is. So yeah, airport was good experience.
What's the biggest challenge you have faced in your daily coding?
In daily coding, I guess silly mistake is irritating. Like if you are forgetting semicolon and long project work is there, like maximum number of code lines are there. Like suppose if the number is exceeding 100 line, now if the code is having 100 line, it is exceeding. So you get irritated if you do a silly mistake, like if you miss the semicolon, instead of semicolon you put whole column, colon, and instead of comma you put full stop. So this type of thing is irritating, very irritating. And the second thing, I feel like for the most number of time you have to use the software application like Eclipse. I used to work on in Java project. So in Eclipse, usually Eclipse take 1 minute to open. So this is also irritating. Whenever you are going to code, so you have to open the application and it will take 1 minute, and sometime it will hang also. So hanging it will take time, so that time is irritating. And the second thing is silly mistakes over the code.
Okay.
Rest all is interesting.
Ever had a bug that drove you crazy?
I don't think so. But yeah, this type of semicolon mistake like missing this make so irritating, and it takes all for a time like when I was a beginner in coding in 2021. So at that time, yeah, it takes almost 1 day to recover. Like to correct the error, it takes 1 day. I was beginner at that time, so I used to take time, and I have given many days for just a silly mistake. For just a silly mistake, I have spent the whole coding, and like I used to study and analyze all the coding words. So this takes time at that time, and I think I have given 1 or 2 days for this type of silly mistake. Even in my college project work, at that time also I used to get irritated just to finding out the error, and it takes almost 1 to 2 hours at that time. But now it's good.
How do you stay calm during site deadline?
I guess experience. I guess when you spend so much of time over this thing, now you will get patience in your mind. And till now, I have not achieved it, but I am learning on it. At my earlier time, I was getting irritated just in 1 minute. I closed the laptop and that's it. Later, I worked on it, and now I get irritated. I resolve the error. Like I find out the error, make the correct statement. But in my earlier time, I used to close my laptop. So I think practice and patience, I guess.
How do you keep yourself updated with fast changing technology?
Fast engine.
Fast changing technology.
I guess current market is good. They are like, but yeah, I guess wait. When I was starting my college time in 2019, at that time Java was booming. But earlier than that, like in engineering got famous in like 2013 period, I guess. So at that time engineering got famous, and at that time PHP and .NET was running and it was booming. But sudden market changed, and it switched to Java. And Java, it was earlier also. Java was earlier, and people are working on Java from 2000 only. Even in 90s period they are working in 1995 when it was released, but it was not booming. But after 2013 or 2012 in India, Java became famous and every people was doing coding in Java. They switch, and even now Java is running and it is booming still now. Till now it is booming, but people are making switching to they are switching to Python, and many people are working in Python development and even in web development. So this is the thing I want to say, like the technology always change in a decade, in my opinion. At least for 8 years to 10 years, any language or any programming sector, it remains constant. So it will change only after completing like 8 years of lifespan.
Okay. Thank you so much for talking with me. It's a really pleasure meeting and talking to you. Hello.